Hi, I'm Dr. Jeff Langmaid with Research That Matters TV. Strength and flexibility play a significant role in your posture. Having good core strength and balancing that strength with flexibility can help you dynamically adapt to your environment. That's a good thing. While perfect posture might not exist, each one of us has an opportunity to improve our strength, flexibility, and ergonomics to reduce our likelihood of experiencing pain. Your body is dynamic and it's designed to move, but as you age, you may feel that it's less dynamic than it used to be. Getting into a wellness routine that includes daily exercises that focus on strength and flexibility is a smart way to keep your body feeling young while promoting good posture. Strengthening exercises can help your joints stay well supported and decrease postural stress. Balancing those exercises with a focus on flexibility will help you move through the entire range of motion in your body and be prepared for whatever life throws at you. Keep in mind, when you focus on increasing muscular flexibility, your posture is likely to improve. Working out your body allows you to have proper alignment and correct imbalances. Lifting weights strengthens your back, shoulder, and core muscles, which are all essential to standing with proper posture and preventing lower back pain. And stretching your muscles and joints also leads to a greater range of motion, improved balance, and increased flexibility. Creating the proper exercise routine is not easy. Choosing the wrong exercises can be ineffective and sometimes even cause injuries. Postural stress can add up over time. Just because you're not currently living in pain doesn't mean that everything is functioning at its highest level. Schedule an appointment with us today if you'd like to learn more about how we help people find an ideal balance of strength and flexibility while improving their posture. If you'd like to stay proactive with your health and posture, let us know. I'll see you next week for another episode of Research That Matters TV.